About ready to go out. Okay, I am preparing to put this bolt back in the starter. I got my long extension and the swivel on the end, 13mm socket. I have my bolt. I got a couple of washers so it won't be all the way back up in there. It's easier to get out. Put it in my socket. I'm going to tape it down so it won't fall out. Somewhat. How to hold it in place while I try to get it in there. So here we go. Okay, here we go. Slide it back. You can see I have it in the hole, just trying to turn it now. You can't do without this swivel perspective. Let's see, I have to put this down to get done. Alright, to get this second top bolt on, I took my small socket with a small extension and I had to turn it this way and stick it up in there and put it on the bolt, and I was able to maneuver that bolt on. So this, my lights all over the place. Okay. On my ground bolt, right here, I use my long extension. Stuck it on there. As you can see, we got that on like that. And now I just need to get my wires back on. Small one goes there. The big one goes there. And this black one, the last one, put that on the ground. And the last one here goes back on the ground. Okay, we have the top bolt on this 20. Okay, this is the top bolt on the starter for this Expedition, this 2010 Expedition. The difficult bolt here, and it's way back there. hidden away. And I am just trying to get the bolt back in there. So here we go. And bolt them down, and we are ready to go. Especially to installing this starter on this 2010 Ford Expedition. This starter was the hardest starter to get out and in, but it's done. Okay. Here's my motor mounts I got from eBay here. This one goes over to the left. Transmission shift cable goes through this hole here. I never did that part before. We're gonna have an adventure today. And I have my bottom motor mount and my upper right motor mount. Bottom right and upper right motor mount here from eBay. And this one goes over to the left with the shift cable that goes through here. So we're gonna have an adventure on that. So just stand by. Diversity 2. Daniel chapter 9 verse 24 through 27. Diversity 2. Are we living in the end times? Here's my downstream sensor already. Sprayed that one. Look like it can use some cleaning. So let me spray it.